There they go. Xpulse 200. The classic 500. And the Dominar. Prettiest road in NCR. Beautiful tarmac. Green. Has its share of turns and twists. Just fabulous road. We find ourselves in the middle of a village. This is just something so amazing about this country. The most modern of structures and take a turn and we go back in time. Honestly, I love it. Road. Sorry, Interceptor. We're not really meant for this, but once in a while, we do need to do trails. All is good, but just let your hand, don't grip your handle too tight. And don't stop on a slope. Handle lightly and trust your bike. That's it. There's no other formula. And keep your ego in control. Mother Nature usually wins. Momentum is your friend while on off-road or on gravel. So try and not stop. Figure out a speed that says, okay, I can control the bike at this speed. Ooh, yeah, yeah. So much fun. It's quite a tricky section. While stones and gravel is not a problem, it's the loose mud, and especially when it comes on the turns without warning. So dumb down your ego and go slow. It's like riding on skates, but it's so beautiful. To where we wanted to go. While I will try my best not to break my neck and take footage. Have made it without any real incident, but plenty of close saves. Plenty. There it is. Guys, absolutely gorgeous. How was the ride this morning?
Lovely. I had been itching to ride for the past 10 days. Feeling really nice.
Okay.
You guys are doing really wonderful work, and I'm a follower and I watch all your videos.
Hey Mudit, good to see you, man. And seeing your classic 500 after so long.
It was fun hitting the trails for the first time.
Why don't you ride this bike more? Such a beautiful bike.
Yeah, I plan to ride more. Just going.
Excellent.
Amazing ride.
Tushar,
Yeah.
the busy
Hi.
Tushar.
Hi.
How was the ride today?
The ride was very nice. I love the route and I love riding with all of you.
Okay, fantastic. Tell us a little more about your bike. Looks like you've got lots of things done.
Not much, just some cosmetic mods. I've got a new tail, a new headlamp with some graphics. That's all. That's been the look of the bike complete.
So this is the rally kit.
Yeah, I've got a rally kit.